Hi everybody, it's Skullraider101 back here. With today's video, it's something different that I thought it was important in. And it's more like a fire safety thing. Because a lot of people that don't know is that they should check their smoke detectors every 3 months for new batteries. So last night, my battery for my smoke detector actually gave out. As you can see on the wall there, it's missing because before we shot this video, we took it off. And I'm just going to be installing a new battery for the smoke detector. We got the Duracell brand 9-volt batteries, which is for the smoke detector. So all we need to do is, my camera person is going to pass me the smoke detector on the TV. Oh, it's actually right there on the table. As you can see from it, it's a basic model smoke detector and whatnot. You cut through the packaging here, like so. And then you just follow the little instructions of negative and positive for the batteries. So, yeah. So once I pop this in, it should start working all over again. So now that okay, I made a mistake here. I forgot to put this little yellow tab underneath, which is not great. So I'm trying to now stick this back in and see how it goes from there. Okay, I just need the backing to the smoke detector, which it should be on the same table. No, I guess this one, there wasn't any. So all I need to do now, since this one didn't come with a backing, I'm just going to hold it and press this button and hold it. And there you go. Once I reinstalled it, you should be able to start seeing the red light right there. Let's wait for another one, just in case. There you go. So now, a lot of you might not know, but I am somewhat handicapped, so I'm not able to step on a stool or on a ladder, so I'm going to have my assistant here. She's going to be the one actually sticking it back up on the wall for me, because I can't be allowed on a stool because I might fall over due to mobility issues. So now I'm going to pass it off to my associate. She's going to be using just a regular footstool to put it in, but she's going to be on camera for a little while so she can put it in on the wall. as we can see, sometimes it's not as easy as it seems. On future notices, maybe we should let the camera person install the smoke detector. So yeah, this started off as how to reinstall. Oh, there we go. On how to reinstall a smoke detector. And so, like I said, it's always good to check on your smoke detectors all over your house, because you never know if one of those things can end up saving your life one day. So, yes, this was me, Skullraider101. If you like this video, please click the like button and please subscribe, since I am new to YouTube. And remember, how you doing?